Hello and welcome to my non-commercial overview of STL Josh Middleton Tonality, which I'm not sponsored by. I have bought the license by myself, I use it in my music production, and today I want to share my experience of how I work with guitar sound. My goal is to make an overview which you will benefit from watching, so in today's video I will show you multiple ways of mixing guitar sound. All the guitar sound will be made in this plugin. Also, you can download the impulses from my music track you just heard, they will be available in the description, they will be used as an example in this video. Also, you can use them to try the plugin for free using the trial version available at the official website. I will show you two mostly common setups for heavy guitar mixing, and we will start from double track. Double track is when one guitar goes 100% left and the other one goes 100% right. It provides us with a stereo effect but with more space left in the center, which is so valuable for solo parts. I will use the exact same files which are available for the download. The first two of them are just bass and drums. The other tracks are guitars recorded as a line input. To make a double track, I have just left 3 guitar tracks in a mix, right, left and solo, and what I highly recommend doing is to isolate one of them to choose the proper guitar sound. After opening the plugin, you will see the default preset. Let's listen to it. I like listening to multiple presets because it's a great starting point which saves time. After you have chosen the right preset to work with, you can modify it according to your specific needs. Here we have 4 pre-effects which modify the signal before its amplification. Compressor. It reduces the dynamic range of the guitar. Hard notes get softer and soft get louder. A compressor pedal protects against excessive peaks in your signal, make it more solid. The pitch pedal gives an additional same note to the one you play, but from upper or lower octave. Also, you can blend these sounds together. Then we have 2 overdrive options. I recommend you to listen to both of them and choose the best for you. Then you have amplify options. You can choose among 3 models. I like the sound I have, so I will leave everything without any changes. Now let's see the cabinet tab. Plugin lets you mix 2 cabinets with multiple mics in parallel. That means that you can choose between speaker models, mic settings and their blending proportion. It's possible to adjust microphone settings like distance, angle and positioning to speaker. Also, we have a post-effects tab. These effects modify the sound after the amplification. I have already chosen a preset for solo part and want to show you EQ, delay and reverb in action. Now we need to position guitars left and right and choose the proper volume level. I do no additional sound modifications like compressing or something like this, so you can hear the plugin sound without any cheats. Here I want to mention the distinctive competencies of this plugin: simplicity and integrity. As you could see, we didn't have so many options of amps, pedals or something like this, but everything we have here is produced in great quality. It gives us the full-fledged toolset for high-gain guitar sound. What I really like in this plugin are high-quality presets which can fit your mix in literally 2 clicks. The next method I'm going to show you is called quad tracking. The logic behind it is very similar to double track, but instead of 1 guitar track on each side, we will use 2 guitar tracks on the left and 2 guitar tracks on the right. Both for guitars will give us a higher density sound. Also, I want to make this example much closer to a real-life production when the left and right guitars are recorded using different amplifiers. It provides the track with a sound richness. In general, everything reveals the same, but I have chosen the 2 different setups for left and right guitars. A very important thing you gotta keep in mind when working with different guitar sound on the left and right, you must pay attention to balancing. That means that the volume on the right must be equal to the volume on the left. Let's see the mistake in here. As you can see, the right guitar sounds much louder than the left one. We must adjust it. Much better. Thanks for watching. Don't forget about my Patreon page. There I share my experience of how do I compose music. Also like, subscribe and stay metal.